Take a look at the split level in Brookpark, Ohio.
Yes, there's so much around here. It's close to the airport, highway access, and the IX Center.
Let's check it out.
Check out the keypad on the door. I love it when homeowners take such pride in their homes. This home has illuminated lighting in the kitchen, and then all the appliances stay.
And Jane, who doesn't love a good wet bar for entertaining?
I know I do.
I do too. Look at the wine rack. That's so great. You got your wet bar sink. And then over here is a little buffet table that's built in. So when you have guests, you can have a nice spread. So in the basement, you actually have another laundry area. You could also convert that into a kitchenette. Half bathroom right off this 4th bedroom with an egress window leading out to the backyard.
And check out this miracle stone flooring.
Yeah, real nice. I love this backyard. I could stay here all day.
Yes.
It's so beautiful. The saltwater pool is amazing. The view is amazing. Jane, what's going on with the backyard area?
It's actually owned by the city of Cleveland, so you do not need to maintain it, but you get that beautiful wooded view.
That is amazing. So this house is great just the way it is, wouldn't you agree?
Yes.
Yeah, you could put some finishing touches on it and make it your own. In fact, the owner told me that at one point he priced out to add an additional bathroom right on the side of the house and an additional walk-in closet so you could have another master suite. That's definitely available. Reach out to us today and we'll go over all of your options.